Hey folks, good afternoon. This is Steve Grimm, MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today I want to show you, give you a tour of this 330 Boston Whaler Outrage. This is a phenomenal boat. This is Abaco Blue. There's only a handful of these boats in this color in the country. Beautiful color, beautiful boat. You can see we got the sure shades on this one, the extended shades. Those are going to be great when you're laying around at the islands or if you're out fishing. It's great cover for you, great canopy cover. It's an awesome boat. This boat's 33 feet, 1 inch long, and it's got a 10-foot, 2-inch beam. Back with you here on the 330 Outrage. This is a 2018 model, guys. A lot of really cool features on this boat. I'm going to tell you, this is an awesome offshore fishing platform, running around the islands, doing anything you pretty much want. You've got a large live well here in the back. You got a 50-gallon live well here in the back. Very nice. You got rod holders all the way around. You got your through-hole cleats here for your chafing. You can hook up to your 10-inch cleats, which are down here. Really nice. The rear seat in this is so easy to use. So many rear seats in these boats are not really fun to use. This one's very easy. Comes right out and lays out just like it should. Very simple, very nice. And then when you're ready to fish, it tucks away and becomes a combing pad as well. You got a nice 5-gallon bucket here storage. Great place to put your cast net when you're collecting bait. You got 2 large in-the-floor fish boxes. And guys, you talk about easy to get to equipment. Look at this, all your pumps, all your seacocks, your through-hole transducer, everything is in this box here. Very easy to get to. Boston Whaler doesn't leave a thing out. I mean, it's so easy to get to, so easy to service. Be no issue to get down in there. Once again, you've got cooler storage underneath the helm. You've got a really nice freshwater station here, nice sink, nice place to put your cut bait, everything here. 2 cup holders right where there should be, rack for your paper towels. Just a really cool, great. Also, you have a nice handrail here as you're riding out. You've got good leverage there, nice place to hang on to. You've got your side entry door here, guys. Look how easy that is to operate. Very nice. And it also has a handle here that pulls out and a retractable ladder. Your raw water and your fresh water here is laid out very nicely at the transom. Very easy to get to, very convenient. As we walk forward, I'll show you the helm station on this, guys. You've got your retractable bolsters here, so you have a leaning post as well as a nice seat. One thing Whaler's done for the height challenge people is they've put in a very nice step pad here, give you about 3 or 4 inches more visibility and height over the thing. This boat's equipped with the Marine GS 165s with the Mercury Smart system, as well as dual throttles and your joystick, guys. Awesome control, big electronics box, nice storage here for your life jackets. This one is already rigged with the Taco Grand Slam outriggers. Very nice equipment. You also have a hatch to get up on top for servicing any of your outriggers or your stern light or anything like that you might need. Coming forward, guys, we have got a huge porta potty. Actually, this is a China flush head in the helm. You've got shower in here, fresh water, radio controls. Very nice place to store your dive ladder. Coming up front, you've got a very nice storage locker here. Big seating, armrest, everything you need. But I did want to show you this. We have this one has the optional dive tank racks. Very nice to get to. 2 5-gallon buckets to store things in, your cleaning supplies, all that. You have a big, large in-the-floor fish box here, as well as a forward ice chest here. Everything you need basically to be comfortable on the water. Up front, you do have your windlass. This has got your fresh water in there, as well as your windlass controls up front. Again, this sure shade sure is nice. Keeps the sun off of you, makes it easy to hang out on a hot day. And folks, that's my review here. You've got 300 gallons of fuel on this boat with reserves, running at an average cruise of about 30 miles an hour. You have 322 miles worth of range on this boat, so you can get out there and get back. Super nice boat, guys. Come see us at MarineMax Gulf Shores. Steve Grimm.